The Nikon Z series of mirrorless cameras are feature-rich with video capabilities. The Z6 Filmmaker's kit includes the Z6 camera, which offers full-frame 4K UHD with full pixel readout, phase-detect autofocus, slow-motion recording, time-lapse, N-Log, and a host of other great features, including a future firmware upgrade for ProRes RAW external recording. Getting this camera up and running for your productions is easy, but there are quite a few options to choose from in the menus. To make sure you're set up properly for the type of shooting you will be doing, let's go through some of the most important options here. The first thing I want to recommend is that you download a free app developed by Nikon called Manual Viewer 2. It's available on the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android users. This is a quick and easy way to download and view Nikon user manuals so that you can reference them no matter where you are. You can browse, bookmark, or search for keywords within any available user manual. This will really come in handy when you are in the middle of a video shoot and you want to activate a feature or change something in the menus. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the Z6 and get acquainted with it. At the top here, you'll find the record button. Here's the ISO button, which can be set by simply pressing the button and rotating the main command dial. And here's the exposure compensation, which works the same way. The mode dial is here on the left. On the back of the camera, you have the photo movie selector, the tilting touchscreen, of course the EVF, the playback and delete buttons, the menu button, and the I menu button, which is a convenient interactive menu for your most frequently used items. The options on the I menu are customizable, so definitely take advantage of this feature. It's easy to set up, and having quick access to frequently used menu items means that you can focus more on what's going on during your production and less on changing camera settings. On the side of the camera, that's where you'll find the mic input, headphone output, HDMI output, a USB port, and the multi-accessory port. Now that we're familiar with the layout of the Z6, we can start setting this up. Let's start by inserting a charged battery into the camera. Next, turn on the camera and flip the photo movie selector to movie. Next, press the menu button. Go to the movie shooting menu, which is the movie camera icon over here. You can change a lot of movie settings here, but we'll just talk about the options necessary to get you going. Let's start with frame size, frame rate. Just select that one. Here are all your different choices. For maximum resolution and frame rate, choose 3840 by 2160 at 30p. This is 4K UHD at 30 frames per second. If you want a more cinematic look to your footage, you may want to try the 24p option. There's also slow motion options in full HD 1080p. Next, let's choose an autofocus mode. Scroll down through the menus till you find the focus mode option. For video, if you want to use autofocus, you're best off using AFF, which is full-time focus, and will automatically refocus on anything that is within the selected AF area. If you, like many videographers, prefer to shoot in manual focus mode, that option is available in this menu as well. That brings us to the AF area mode. In this menu, you will choose one of 4 area options. There's single point, which gives you the most precise focus on a single point. Wide area AF, both small and large, and auto area AF. Use this one if you want the camera to take complete control. For more details on these autofocus modes, you can always consult the Z6 user's manual. Next is vibration reduction, which is the camera's in-body image stabilization. If you're shooting handheld or on the Moza Air 2, turn it on. If you're on a tripod, make sure to turn it off. Additionally, in video mode, there's an electronic VR option that can also be used, but be aware that it will slightly crop the image area. There are a lot more settings you can adjust with the Z6, but this should get you up and running for now.